Hi there! Today we are going to take a look at a budget 24-inch gaming monitor from Philips. It is 1080p 144Hz monitor with AMD FreeSync, 315 nits brightness and pretty good color accuracy, almost 122% of sRGB coverage. Assembly takes just one screw, but you will need a screwdriver for it. The design is simple, black, with a little silvery touch on the stand. Doesn't look too bad. As for connections, it has HDMI, DisplayPort and an audio output, covering just your basic needs. But how is it to use? The short answer is, I didn't really like it. First of all, this variety of adjustments is what you would expect from a budget monitor, but like 10 years ago. Thankfully, it has option to add VS mount stand, but if you buy a budget monitor, extra 40 or so euros for a stand is not what you are looking to spend. Then they advertise 178-degree viewing angles, but for me, even moving your head from left to right showed significant grayish tinting, which limits my usage options significantly. And to top my complaints off, the cable from external charging brick is so short that I had to keep it up on my desk, as I don't want floating power bricks behind my desk. Of course, not everything is bad. As a gaming monitor, it is fast. I could immediately recognize that it is much faster than my daily 100Hz refresh rate monitor, so good work on that. And I kinda like that they made labels for menus easy to see, even in pretty dark rooms. But overall, if I had to spend 150 to 200 euros on a budget gaming monitor, I would be buying AOC24G2U we reviewed some time ago, as it has much better connectivity, better ergonomics and stand, and doesn't require a power brick on your desk. And the best part is, it costs pretty much the same. And that is pretty much all I wanted to say. I am not the biggest fan of this monitor, and I know Philips can do much better.